Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Now, you might remember I recently reviewed the Flemmings 2 cheeseburgers for £2, which I didn't think were too bad for the price. So this time I'm going to do the Flemmings chicken burgers, 2 for £2 from Iceland. Classic, it says. We'll find out about that. You get Heinz mayo with these. You've got Heinz ketchup with the cheeseburger. Now I'm going to do the same as I did with the cheeseburger. I'm going to prepare one exactly how it says on the instructions, so just purely microwave. And then the other one, I'm going to take the burger out, air fry that, and toast the bun. And I've also got some lettuce, so I'm going to put some lettuce in the air fried and toasted one as well. I haven't got any tomato like it shows on the picture. But yeah, Flemmings in the Netherlands. And this burger is made up of 43% chicken meat and 42% mechanically separated chicken meat. There's nothing much else I can tell you about this. I'm just going to get it done. Right, I will bring you back when I've got it done. I suppose I'd better show it to you before I get it done, hadn't I? There's the bun, standard long life sesame seeded white bun. And there's the burger. Quite anemic looking, to be honest. Smells very chickeny though. Right, now I'll get them done. So my Flemmings cheeseburgers, not cheeseburgers, what are they? They're chicken burgers, aren't they, this time? I might have said cheeseburgers earlier. Sorry if I did. Right, they're ready anyway. This is the one that's been microwaved, and this is the one that's been air fried and toasted. And as you can see, I've added a little bit of lettuce to it. Not a lot of lettuce, because some burger places, they tend to like overload their burgers with lettuce, don't they? And I don't like that, because I just end up throwing half of it away. So just a little bit of lettuce. Right, did the air fried one for 5 minutes, 2.5 minutes each side. And the microwave one, exactly as it says on the pack, 60 seconds. So let's try the microwave one first. God, that's still... I don't know if you can see the bottom of that bun. It's still steaming away. Okay, here we go then. Not a lot of taste. In fact, hardly any taste. Oh dear. Okay. That's just stuff in a bun. It really is. If you were given that and said identify it, you'd say, well, it's stuff. You really wouldn't know it was chicken. There's hardly any taste whatsoever. It's under-seasoned, under-flavoured, underwhelming. Right, let's see if the one that's been air fried and the bun toasted is any better. Let's hope it's actually got some flavour. The bread's got more flavour, but not a lot more. Just a minimal amount more flavour. The burger itself, oh no, can't recommend these at all. Let's have one more bite. Again, you really can't identify that as chicken. That's amazing. Well, I can't. All I can really taste is the bread, the mayo, and the lettuce. Yeah. So, Flemmings chicken burgers, very poor effort. I don't recommend them at all. Not at all. As I said, the cheeseburgers, I think they were alright for £2. These are definitely not alright. Definitely not. Question is, will I finish them? I know what I'll do. I'll pause you a second and I'll put both burgers in one bun. Right, so I've now got a double chicken burger in the toasted bun. Let's see if that makes any difference whatsoever. I doubt it somehow. No. No. That's terrible. Absolutely terrible. Oh. It's rubbish. It's rubbish. It's terrible. It's rubbish. It's tasteless. It's underwhelming. I don't recommend it. Okay. Please let me know if you've tried them. Please let me know if you've been brave enough or stupid enough to try them. No, not stupid, because you don't know till you try, do you? So, no, just no. But having said that, I'm going to finish it. I won't finish the other bun though, definitely not. Right, thanks for watching that one, and I will see you in the next video, which hopefully will be something a lot better and a lot tastier.